In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get List ID ClickUp. This is handy if you're connecting ClickUp to other tools, building automations, or making API calls that require a specific list identifier. I'll walk you through it clearly using the standard web app so you can follow along in any modern browser. First, open ClickUp and head to your My Workspace area. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace if you have more than one. From the left sidebar, navigate through your spaces and folders until you see the exact list you want to work with. It's important to open the list itself, not just the space or folder, because the URL you need only appears when the list view is active. Once the list is open, the key lives right in your browser's address bar. Click once in the address bar to highlight the full URL. You're looking for the list ID, which appears immediately after the final slash that follows the list path and before any question mark or additional parameters. In many cases, you'll see a structure where the list portion of the URL ends, then a question mark introduces things like filters or references. Everything between that last slash and the question mark is your list ID. If there's no question mark, simply copy everything after the final slash, as that entire segment is typically the ID. A quick tip, you can press Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac to jump straight to the address bar. Then carefully select just the ID portion and copy it. Paste it somewhere safe, like a Notes app, a config file, or your integration settings. If you notice a trailing slash at the end of the URL, ignore it. You want the characters between the last slash and any question mark. If your screen shows different views or filters, don't worry. Those only affect the parameters after the question mark, not the ID itself. If you're on the mobile app and can't easily see the full URL, switch to a desktop browser for this step. Also, be mindful when sharing screenshots or links publicly. While a list ID alone isn't the same as a password, it's still best practice to keep workspace details private. And that's it. Open your My Workspace, click into the list you need, and copy the ID from the address bar between the final slash and the question mark. Keep that ID handy for any integration or automation that asks for it.